Good morning and welcome to Circle Time. It's me, Mrs. Mozingo. I'm so glad you could join me today. Let's go ahead and get started. And let's take a look at the date. It is May, and it is the 20th day of May. So let's see, what day of the week does the 20th fall on? Let's go ahead and sing our song to figure that out. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Here we go. Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. Can't hear you. A little louder. Saturday, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Excellent. And it is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. Let's take a look at our pattern. We are going to start right here and make it a little challenging for ourselves. Pink, blue, pink. What's going to come next? Blue. That's exactly right. All right. We have 2 more days of school this week. Now, next week, we have no school right here on Monday because it's Memorial Day weekend. Let's go ahead and take a look at the weather. We said it was going to be sunny today. It is not sunny outside. What kind of weather do we have outside? Yeah, it is very cloudy, and it is very windy. My wind chimes are going crazy out there. What kind of weather do you think we're going to have tomorrow? Let's see if we have a pattern here. Cloudy, partly cloudy, cloudy. What do we think? Should we put down partly cloudy and keep up with our pattern? Let's go ahead and do it. See if we're right. Now it's time to say the alphabet. Is everybody ready to say it with me? All right, here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Excellent. All right. Now we're going to count to 15. But let's move our arms as we count. So lift them up for 1 and down for 2. Up for 3, down for 4. Up for 5, down for 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Where did your arms end? Did they end up in the air? That's right. Great job, friends. All right, let's count backwards from 10. Are you ready? Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Let's take a look at that rocket taking off. Here we go. Maybe. So it's important to know how to count backwards if you want to launch a rocket.
Auto rocket booster nozzle steering check and work. 20. The firing chain is armed. 15. Go for main engine start. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. All 3 engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and lift off.
There it goes.
Lift off of Atlantis. Shoulders of the space shuttle. America will continue the dream. Roger roll, Atlantis. Houston now controlling the flight of Atlantis. The space shuttle spreads its wings one final time for the start of the
Look at it
sentimental
flying
journey
up into the
history.
air.
24 seconds into the flight. Roll program.
All right. Let's go ahead and keep going on. And let's find some shapes. What about this one? What is this one called? An oval. That's right. How about this gray one? Octagon. And how about this one right here? It is a star. And what about this purple one? What is that? It is a square. Good job. Let's sing about our shapes.
Mobile popped over this wireless banner bag for an unboxing. Let's check this thing out and see what we got inside.
3, 2, 1. Skip that ad.
Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the shape name game, that is what we like to do. Circle, circle, square, square, triangle,
Triangle.
triangle,
Triangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
rectangle,
Rectangle.
oval,
Oval.
oval,
Oval.
diamond,
Diamond.
diamond,
Diamond.
heart,
Heart.
heart,
Heart.
star,
Star.
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 Shapes have names, they're made of angles and lines. There are flat shapes and solid shapes, we see them all the time. Now I will say a shape, I want you to say it too. We'll play the
Shape, name, game. That is what we like to do. What is this?
rhombus.
Rhombus. And a rhombus can also be called a diamond. That's right. All right, let's move on. Oh my goodness, look at all these colors. Let's see. What is this color over here? This yummy Oreo that I love to dunk into milk. It is black. That's exactly right. And how about right here, this My Little Pony? What color is she? She is pink. Good job. Our nursery rhyme this week is Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating her curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away. Now, normally when we do this in school, we serve curds and whey for everyone to try. And curds and whey is just cottage cheese. So if mommies and daddies have some cottage cheese, this is a perfect opportunity to try it. Pretend you're Little Miss Muffet. Let's watch the video.
Little Miss Muffet. Little Miss Muffet sat on a tuffet, eating some curds and whey. Along came a spider, who sat down beside her and frightened Miss Muffet away.
Nice silly spider. All right, let's move on. We have worked on the letter L, F, E, H, T, I, U, C, and O. And this week we are working on the letter Q. Q is for Queen, and this is the evil Queen from Snow White. Quiet. Someone puts their finger up in front of their mouth and says, shh, so you're quiet. Can you think of some places where you're quiet? You would be quiet in the library, quiet in church, quiet at nap time. Those are all quiet places. And here is a quarter. If I have 4 of these, I have a whole $1. Let's go ahead and watch. Uh-oh, our queen.
Who now is the fairest one of all? Over the 7 jeweled hills, beyond the 7th fall, in the cottage of the 7 dwarfs, dwells Snow White, fairest one of all.
And look at that evil queen. She looks evil. All right, and how about quiet? Can you make that sound? Sure can. Make the sound. Quiet. You're doing quiet. All right. But we're not going to be quiet now, are we? Now we're going to go ahead and stand up and talk and sing about where our letters start. So we're standing up and we're getting ready to sing. Where do we start those letters? At the bottom? No, that's not how that song goes. The top, yes. Here we go. Where do you start your letters? At the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better to start it at the top. Here we go. Start your letters at the top. Letters at the top. Letters at the top. At the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Start your letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. Is this the top? No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Here we go. Ahs. Reach up. Way up. Is that the top? Is it the top? Reach out and touch the top. Now going down. Reach down. Way down. Is that the bottom? Is it the bottom? Reach out and touch the bottom. Here we go. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Where do you start your letters? At the top. You got Oz. Woohoo! Do you start your letters at the top? Where? If you want to start a letter, then you better. Remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. Is it the top? All right, great job, friends. Now we're making the letter Q today. Is everybody ready to build the letter Q? If you have your mat, let's get it ready. We need 2 big magic C's and a little line that we're going to make into a slide. Are we ready? Let's grab our first magic C and we're going to put it onto our mat under Mr. Matt's smiling face, and then we're going to go slightly off because that letter O is so big. It needs lots of room. Let's grab our other magic C. And we made the letter O. Look at that letter O. Oh my. Is that our letter this week? No, it's not. So now we need to grab a little slide and put it in the bottom corner. Look, there's a Q. Now it's my turn. Listening ears on, inside voices off, hands in lap because it's my turn. We start at the top and we're making the letter O, and then we're going to make it into a Q. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Add a little slide, and it's a Q. All right, let's do it together. Ready? Here we go. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Little slide. Make a little slide, and it becomes a Q. Wonderful. All right. We have another story about animals and growing up by Mrs. Nichols today. Make sure you check that story out and make sure you see and do the music with me. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.